They're Pizza Huts.
Pizza Huts. So you press this tongue, there's a commercial that they show you this, but you press this tongue and it orders you pizza wherever you're at. It syncs through your phone. You press this tongue and watch. 3, 2, 1. Pauses your TV. You press it again. 3, 2, 1. Boom.
They watching the Practical Jokers. This is too cool.
Yeah.
And what do you win those?
We're raffling off our 10th pair right now. We got 10 more that we're giving away each day. So we got 31 pairs left. You can't buy them. You can't buy these online or anything. You can buy them on eBay.
So what is that, Bluetooth?
This is Bluetooth, and then this is just like the infrared to your DVR box.
I got you.
It just sends a signal telling it to stop, telling it to go.
That's cool.
Is that like actually for real, like orange pizza?
Y'all thought they were Jordans.
Yeah.
They're the pizza.
They look like
the Jordan of pizza.
They look like it.
Cool. And how do you get in that?
You go over there and sign up for Hut Rewards. They'll give you a ticket, and you enter to win.
All right.
So yeah, go over there, show them your rewards.